So, when you've been trying to get back on track with your health approach, keto, low carb, intermittent fasting, and for ages it felt like you were pushing through mud, then suddenly something clicks. Hunger settles, energy surfaces again, and you realize you're not fighting your mind anymore. If you're in that space where everything still feels hard, you're not doing anything wrong, you're just not at that turning point yet. So let's dive in and talk more about this. We've all had those stretches where fasting and healthier eating feels impossible because the cravings are louder than your actual hunger. You feel tired, foggy, end up thinking, why can't I just get back on track? But when the body finally catches up and the inflammation eases, fasting stops feeling like a battle and starts feeling like a rhythm. And honestly, that's where our confidence starts jumping back in. This week's been that shift for me. After several really rough weeks of being way off in food and constantly hungry, I've moved back into low carb. Nothing extreme, just sensible, fasting window. Has landed between 19 to 24 hours most days. One full 24-hour fast, the rest about 19, 20 hours. And because I'm right at the beginning of my cycle, it actually feels like I can stretch it a little bit more, and it's been easy. And I'm mostly eating once or twice a day at most. It's felt manageable again instead of overwhelming. Also means I can be more relaxed about what food choices I'm making in that window. I'm drinking loads, water, electrolytes, and honestly, the difference is night and day. Constant hunger's gone, that drained, heavy, inflamed feeling's eased, energy's finally coming back, and I feel brighter and more myself than I have done in weeks. And it's a reminder that your body will respond even after a messy patch, as long as you keep showing up in some way. And when I've fallen off track in the past, those times have been like months and months and months. This time, a couple of weeks, and I'm back on track. And I do believe that this channel is really helping because it holds me to account and it stopped me from going way off track as well. And you guys are really helping with that too. So thank you. So here's what we can take from the past week, because it's not just about me resetting, it's about what you and I can do together going forward. Back into low carb without going full keto is enough to stabilize hunger. This week's proved that. You don't need perfection. It's just about that consistency, getting that back in. Second, fasting becomes dramatically easier when blood sugar isn't spiking all over the place, and that's why the 19 to 24-hour fasts have worked this week, and it wasn't willpower, it was physiology. Third, hydration and electrolytes are non-negotiable. They stop that drained, cold, shaky feeling and make longer fasts feel completely normal. And finally, when your body feels safe, hormone cycle, stress, it's far easier to push the fasting window without crashing. And this is the kind of momentum we can build on together. You can absolutely reach this stage too. Even if you've had a messy few weeks like I've just had, your body wants equilibrium. Once it finds it, everything feels lighter, calmer, more doable. And if you want help staying consistent, grab the free reset checklist in the description below, join the newsletter. I'll send you weekly prompts, recipes, and the exact tweaks I'm using in real time. You've got this. Let's keep going.